Yeah, look, over the last 3 years, we've successfully rolled out SugarCRM to Jayco and the dealer network. And through this, we're able to capture and centralize a lot of data. We now see trends earlier in the customers' buying journey, which enables better decision making with regards to product design and manufacturing scheduling, so that connection back to manufacturing. This includes data such as web activity, thanks to Sugar Market. We've got web inquiries now coming through to Sugar, thanks to an integration built with our partner CRM strategy. And then we've got sales trends as well with regards to second-hand products across the dealer network. So more data that we're able to see of activity around the network. Additionally, when building our customized SugarCRM, we're able to feed some very useful data sets into the platform. So we're able to share service history now across the dealer network to help our after-sales teams make decisions around warranty and so forth. But my favorite is the manufacturing data that we're now feeding into SugarCRM. I've named it Pathway to Delivery. And this includes build confirmations and major build milestones through the manufacturing process, and also estimated time of arrival to the dealership of their product. So this allows the sales teams to be better informed with where a new product's coming through, and then in turn, obviously, allows them to communicate that with the customers to keep them up to date with their new purchase. We are also now leveraging the insights from Sugar Market to qualify and then actively call prospects. We've got a dedicated concierge team now that are doing that, and we're using obviously the smarts of SugarCRM and Sugar Market to enable that. Finally, we're now able to leverage the powers of SugarCRM through the process definitions and smart guides. And this is something that we talk about, crawl, walk, run when implementing a product like this. And a number of our dealerships are moving to that run stage. One in particular, Jade Walsh from Jayco Adelaide, one of our dealerships, he's been able to upskill himself with Sugar Club and really develop smart guides to suit their business requirements. And this has allowed a lot of automation to occur within the platform, key touch points to our customers, and then ultimately that delivers a greater sales success, but also a better experience to the customer overall. So a lot of data that we're feeding into our SugarCRM, and a lot of data coming out of it that's making a lot of benefits to all the businesses, the 29 dealerships in our and Jayco HO.
Yeah, and you're using it to improve your marketing processes, to empower your sellers with all that back office data that they need to be able to better serve customers and your service agents. So thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, sure. And I saw the one previous, which I could probably answer too. But look, for us, what's next for Jayco? I mentioned before the walk or the crawl, walk, run. It's identifying those dealerships that are still learning the powers of SugarCRM and bringing them up to up a level and getting them to understand that some of the powers that it does offer through those automations and smart guides, and really leveraging Sugar Market and web activity in that space. I've got a few around the network that are really getting excited about the web activity and that visibility that they are seeing through Sugar Market, which is turning into sales, which is great to see. Further to that too, we want to, Kate, you spoke about people using sugar and clean data. Certainly we've loaded in a lot of data sets into our SugarCRM, and a lot of that requires a bit of tidy up, a bit of duplication in there as well with historical data that we've loaded in. So we are going through that process at the moment, and that's all about just having that one view of the customer and tidying that up, and ultimately having a customer portal, and where we actually really understand all of our customers over the journey. I think we've sold about 270,000 caravans over 50 years. Now, a lot of those early ones may not be around anymore, but we want to know certainly the people that have bought over the last couple of years and really engage with them, into their next purchase and so forth, and even into spare parts as well. I was going to answer that other question if I can, Adam. The effective strategies. I spoke about the manufacturing data, the pathway to delivery that we've got in our SugarCRM, and one of the things I'm encouraging our dealerships to do with their market is utilizing these data events that are coming into Sugar. We've got content there that has photos and so forth of the manufacturing process, and we've got those milestones that are feeding into Sugar. So just communicating with the customer and just giving them a little bit of hey, your van's just come online, or hey, your chassis just been galvanized, and just those touch points along the manufacturing process. I think is a really good opportunity for us to just keep the customers engaged and get them excited about their new shiny new product that's making its way through the production line. So that's just one way I think you can really connect um, your customers to your manufacturing process. Because for a lot of people, they don't understand the grand scale of manufacturing an RV. There's a lot that goes into it, and I've been fortunate to give a lot of people tours of the facility. Adam, you haven't come by just yet. I will get you by the factory one day, but people are just astounded by the size and the sheer scale of the place. So if we can share that more to our customers, I think they'll get a really good understanding of what went into building their new RV.
Absolutely. I really love that and appreciate that insight as well, because so many companies could benefit from that mindset of, if you're going to build something that takes a period of time, involve the customer and engage them at the same time. I mean, I can see in our attendee list, we've got some home builders in the list. They too are building things over a long period of time, and keeping their customer engaged is an opportunity there to take advantage of.